Okay, guys, greetings. I greet you all. My name is Abaroma Ozomiri. I declare long life and prosperity. I declare protection. I declare connection. I declare favor in our lives. And as I declare, so shall it be. Isem. Okay, guys. I am here to actually respond to this question. Somebody made this comment in my previous video asking what do I do to stop eating in the dream? First thing you have to do if you notice you are eating in the dream is this. But before then, you have to understand that eating in the dream is very negative and is very bad. Okay. So some people when they eat in the dream, they undergo initiation. Some people when they want to mark death for them, they eat in the dream. Some people when they want, I'm just trying to bring the last topic and put it here so that some people when they eat in the dream, it is accident. Some people it is a bad sign. It is not a good thing. Some people when they eat in the dream, they are about to lose something. Some people some people when they eat in the dream, they experience all manner of negativity, but a lot of you might not know that it is as a result of the food or as a result of what they gave you in your dream to eat. Some people undergo serious sickness and ailment because of what they ate in their dream. Now, that being said, now what can you do to stop eating in the dream? The first thing you have to understand is you have to understand the cause. What is the cause? What is the cause? Why are you eating in the dream? What could be responsible for that? Because I believe that when you find out the reason why you're having a particular problem, you you are very close to your solution. Do you understand? So now what is the reason why you are eating in the dream? Now, how do you find out why you eat in the dream? By doing what? By going for a divination or a spiritual counseling. Okay. Then when you understand why you are eating in the dream, some people eat in the dream as a result of witchcraft. Some people eat in the dream as a result of evil manipulation from their enemies. Some people eat in the dream as a result of stuffs that was buried in their father's place. Some people eat in the dream as a result of their calling. Some people eat in the dream as a result of their ancestral altars that they have abandoned. If you notice that you eat in the dream, the first thing you have to do is to do what? To ask questions. You need to know why you are eating in the dream. You need to know what is the cause of your eating in the dream. That is the first thing you have to know. Then when you find out why you're eating in the dream, you have to do what? You have to, tackle it from there. Another thing you have to do is this: when you eat in the dream, another thing you have to do to get solution or to stop yourself from eating is to always have a spiritual birth. Always have a spiritual birth, because those entities giving you that bad food, they have a connection with you. So when you always have a spiritual birth, that spiritual birth will help you to scare those evil spirits, those evil forces that are always coming to you to give you bad food. Okay? You can as well use some spiritual products, some spiritual oils, some spiritual perfumes, some spiritual soap, and the rest of it. Okay? That have the ingredients that can have the herbs that contains the herbs that can disconnect you, or that can chase away bad spirit from you. It is another primary level, or primary means you can handle such situation. Okay. Then that being said, above all, like I said before, is finding out the cause of your problem and sorting it out. And the last but not the least is going closer with your forces, with your positive forces, with your entities of powers, with your ancestors, with your spirit guide, and all your forces going closer to them will save you a lot of stress. Okay, concerning eating in the dream. Yeah, I still have another topic that I wanted to include. I don't have any book here. All these things are just coming out from me. So another thing you have to do when you eat in the dream to stop it is that you undergo a spiritual fortification and protection. It will help you to have the spiritual capacity to be able to resist whatever they are giving you, or it will help you to be disconnected from them. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any question concerning what we just discussed, you can go ahead, okay, and write your question under this comment, or you send me a message through WhatsApp. Thank you.